Yo, what's good? Power up with solar panels and batteries for camping. The Jackery Solar Generator, 2000 V2. Hey, what's up, adventurers and power pros? Welcome back to the channel. If you're all about crushing it on your camping trips, RV adventures, or keeping things lit during a blackout, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 with 2,200-pound W solar panels, the ultimate game-changer in solar panels and batteries for camping. Buckle up because this bad boy is about to blow your mind. Let's get into it. Are you tired of unreliable power sources ruining your outdoor adventures or leaving you in the dark during unexpected outages? Enter the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2, the ultimate solution in solar panels and batteries for camping that combines cutting-edge technology with unbeatable portability. This powerhouse isn't just a gadget. It's your ticket to freedom, whether you're hitting the trails, RVing across the country, or safeguarding your home against emergencies. Imagine setting up camp in a remote wilderness, where traditional generators would choke the air with fumes and noise. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 changes the game with its 2042H Life PO4 battery and 2200 W output, powering everything from your fridge and lights to laptops and medical devices. Why is this needed? In today's unpredictable world, power outages from storms, hurricanes, or grid failures can disrupt daily life. Think spoiled food, lost work, or even health risks for those relying on powered equipment. For campers and RVers, it's essential to have a clean, silent energy source that harnesses the sun's power without the hassle of fuel. This generator benefits people by providing eco-friendly, fume-free electricity that's safe for indoor use too, reducing your carbon footprint while keeping you connected. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the best gear for your adventures. What sets the Jackery apart and makes it a must-have? Its cell-to-body (CTB) technology, borrowed from electric vehicles, makes it 41% lighter, just 39.5 pounds, and 34% smaller than other 2 kWh or Life PO4 stations, so you can easily tote it on hikes or store it in your RV. Fast charging is a breeze. Hit 80% in 66 minutes via AC, or go full in 102 minutes with emergency supercharging mode. Solar charging with the included 400 W panels takes only 6 hours, perfect for off-grid escapades. Plus, the 20 UPS ensures seamless power during blackouts, protecting your devices like never before. UL 1778 certified for peace of mind. With up to 10 years of battery life and whisper-quiet operation, as low as 30 dB in silent mode, it's durable, safe, and built to last. No more worrying about explosions or emissions from gas alternatives. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel to join our crew of outdoor enthusiasts and tech lovers. Why should you choose this over the rest? Simply put, the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 stands head and shoulders above competitors on Amazon. While others bulk up your load or skimp on features, this one's the smallest and lightest in its class, with versatile ports including USB-C PD 100 Baldu for lightning-fast device charging. It's not just for camping, it's a lifesaver for home backups, small businesses, and emergencies. Users rave about its reliability, and with no extra adapters needed, it's user-friendly for everyone from tech novices to seasoned adventurers. Don't settle for second best when you can have the top-rated, most efficient solar panels and batteries for camping that deliver on every promise. All right, fam. That's a wrap on why the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 is the GOAT of portable power. Whether you're out in the wild or prepping for the next storm, this is the one to get. Hit that like button if you're hyped, and let us know in the comments how you'd use this beast. Grab yours now and power up your life. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.